Good morning everyone, welcome back to my mug. I'm your coffee friend Midori, and this week's coffee is a Brazilian Inglaterra natural bourbon. I'm sorry about my voice, I lost my voice during the week, but put your kettle on and let's start brewing. Okay, sorry, I had a little bit of fun over the weekend, so I'm gonna have to drink a little bit of chamomile tea to just, make sure my voice is not gonna go crazy. Okay, so this week's coffee is Brazilian coffee. Inglaterra farm, which is owned by Steve Hurst, so they call it English farm. So Inglaterra means English, but the origin people, they usually used to call the farm Toca da Onca. That means the place where the wild cat lives. So because it's a Brazilian coffee and it's naturally processed, I thought maybe I can do some, cold brew. But because if it's going to be cold brew, it will take 24 hours. So I'm going to brew with Aeropress, with 150 grams of ice, and I'm gonna make it nice, chilled, cold Brazilian coffee. Okay, so you need Aeropress. You need 20 grams of coffee, which is ground for Aeropress, and rinsed filter paper. 150 grams of ice, and you will need 150 grams of hot water. So if you're going to add some milk, you could increase dose of the coffee, so it's a little bit stronger, but just be careful. If you're going to increase the dose, you might want to grind it a little bit coarser. Okay. So I put 20 grams of coffee, and then as soon as you put the hot water, you start the timer, and then I'm brewing for 3 minutes. So 150 grams is just around here, and then you stir it. Okay, I need to have some water. Okay, so the farm is located at 1950 meters and 1300 meters above sea levels, and it is in the super area, so it's a lovely, volcanic super town. So the farm is located at this ancient volcanic range area. It's called caldera. So it used to be like a big volcanic mountain, and then because it's died, it basically sinked. So it looks like big, it's like a carrying tray kind of thing, and then the farm is located in there, so it's basically near the active volcano vein. Okay, so I'm gonna be back when it's 3 minutes, and I'm gonna push it out directly into the ice, and I'm gonna drink with the lovely iced Brazilian coffee. Okay, so it's almost 3 minutes. So I put 150 grams of ice, and then when you flip it, you just flip it and then mix it a little bit so the coffee grind goes mixed through evenly, and then squeeze out. So I would measure ice because it might taste weak when it all melted, and then you don't want that. Okay, it looks so nice. I'm so happy that this week and last week has been quite sunny, and then temperature is like up to 18 degrees. So it's going to be super cold drink, season. Okay, that's great. Yeah, I can smell really lovely lovely chocolatey flavor. All right. It's quite thick, it's quite like syrupy and really lovely. This is amazing. You want this like in like Saturday morning. It's quite nice, sweet, has quite nice nutty flavor. You could actually have this as a cold brew, because what it does in the cold brew is, because you're not brewing with a hot temperature, it doesn't take like a bitterness to it, so like it's pure sweet. So if you brew this coffee with cold brew, it will be like pure sweet, quite nougat, like a chocolatey, milk chocolatey flavor. But it still tastes really great. Oh, my voice is back a little bit. Yay! Yeah, let me know what you think about this coffee, and if you brew with Iced Aeropress or Iced V60, let me know what kind of recipe you used in the comment section in below, and I'll make sure to leave any other information in the description box in below. And I hope you enjoy this coffee. Happy brewing!